So today we recorded a very low attendance. I still don't know the reason why for that, but maybe because some people are not paying for it. So that is one of the key reasons, I guess. So I'm moving straight away to where we stopped yesterday. So I'm going to my home. And today I will be switching to my Pro version. Yeah, I'll be switching to my Pro. Can you see my screen? Okay. If you can see my screen, please let me know. Okay, thank you. So here we have today, like I said, remember we stopped somewhere yesterday. We stopped at the area where we finished up some product online. Let me show you some of the things some people built, which is quite impressive. So look at this. Yeah, honeybee cakes did well. Look at this, and yeah, you can see it makes sense for a start. So I'm not sure. Does Oyin Damola, did you do it with your phone? But yeah, you can still do it with your phone. Yeah, look at this too. Yeah, this lady reject my but there are a lot of corrections here. For logo, you don't make your text scattered like this. Ensure that it is close to one another, because when you want to do a match or you want to put it on something, you will be able to do that. So yeah, Sean Grace here. Yeah, this text, you need to work on it. Then the alignment here, it's not that accurate. It's not starting from where it's supposed to start from. Okay. And yeah, I like the fact that Odukoya Gbemisola did. Look at this. This actually makes sense. Yeah, this is one of the top simplicity that I'm talking about. Yeah, I love it. And oh, wow, this person give me joy. Yeah, Nikki's kissing. She even went ahead to put it on a mock-up. Yeah, which actually makes sense. Yeah, wow. Taste, eat, and enjoy. Wow, that makes sense. Thank you. Yeah, let me just give a kind of awesome notes. Awesome notes. Awesome. Keep it up. So yeah, I like this. The bold text. I love this. This is simplicity at its peak. I love this too. Look at this. And let me quickly brush it up. We have this, we have this, we have yeah. Let me see this. Okay, yeah, this one too makes sense, but the images, they are not well aligned, but yeah, it's cool. So next time, just put a very realistic image that would project what you're talking about. So coffee treat, yeah, coffee treat, this is not what I want, but you tried, but there is some adjustment here. The text, everything looks very in balance. Okay, and look at this, patches for all. Yeah, the patches for all makes sense, but the alignment for the logo and the text needs a proper alignment. Never write your text too close to the end of your surface area. Like everyone deserves a pastry. It's too close. It's too close to the down. You are not following the alignment principle. the alignment principle. You are not following that, which is making your design looks very obstructive. Yeah, this makes sense. The template makes sense, but the pastries, both the color, everything needs a bit of adjustment. Then the icon you're using for your logo is too far away. When you are designing, always look for inspiration. Inspiration gives you the best of what you're doing for a start, so that you won't just end up doing uh, un, unrealistic or incompetent design. Cookies cream. Yeah, this is nice. You can see this text and the icon for the cake. They are intertwined, like they are close to one another. So this makes sense. But the only thing is, when you are placing it in your mock-up, next time try and highlight everything. Then make sure you center it. The alignment is not there, but it totally makes sense. Wow, this is lovely. Look at this. But now this text is too extreme. Never put anything you are doing. Imagine if you sent this to a printing press, they would not get this accurately, because if they want to print it, if they print it out and they want to cut it, it will be too close. So Oluwaseyi Olaniyan, if you are currently on this call, send me the edit assets for this work so that I can use it for experiments. But well done. Okay, the menu to make sense. Yeah. Yeah, anybody that does this do a very nice job. This is a perfect job. Yeah. Yeah, this is a perfect job. You can see the text is well centered and proper aligned. So yeah, Charis, yeah, this is also a good job. I love it. This is a good job too. Yeah, I've checked this. I think I've checked this. Adisa, your color match, it will affect our eyes. So next time, please try and do some. But your logo looks nice. Yeah, it looks nice. And yeah, just try and your color preference, your color combination. Watch out for it so that you will not pay us for viewing your work. Okay, this is wow. Wow, Islamic fashion for her. Okay, yeah, that makes sense too. Why is it that your logo is changing on this place? Yeah, but nice. Well, you can do more. You can do better. Okay, enough of that. And let me just jump up to straight away. So today we'll be talking on three key things. So I will use that three key things to summarize everything design. So please prepare your question. If you have question, I want us to. I will give you room to ask more question. Thank you. And yeah, before I go, let me quickly check if it is something I can edit from here. You're giving me an edit access. So please. So today, I would like to start from the spot I stopped. So yesterday we do a wrap up on how to create a product sample and things like that. So some people reached out to me saying they were unable to do the mock-up things and things like that, and all those things. So let me just continue from where I stopped yesterday. Okay, yeah. So this is what I'm saying. Yeah, this makes sense. This is what I'm saying, that it's not totally So let me just highlight all this. Did you see that? So when you want to move this like this. This is where you are making the mistake. This one, make sure it's, if you are using the stroke key, yeah, place it like this. Then this one, highlight it. Then ensure that it brings this. Did you see the box? Did you see the box? So don't let your design to pass through this line. For everybody, please, alignment is very important. Don't go and put your design here at the extreme end. If you want to print this card now, the printer will cut, they will use scissors to cut some of your content. So that is why they put all this rectangle, all this line. It is for alignment principle, which makes you a better designer. So ensure you put it at the extreme end here. Then another thing for your logo, it's too big. Adjust it so that it can fit in perfectly into the box. Like this. Yeah, like this. So yeah, I think I've made a bit of corrections to this space. Then this, your Olaniyan too, Oluwaseyi, if it could take at least, then this, your manager, it's too big. Did you see what I do here? Look at this. You will see that it's like this. So it's better like this for the sake of editing, so that when you are aligning, it will align properly. Then this one, the same thing for this one too. Okay, this one is accurate. So yeah, if in case you want to drag this one, it must be in center of this, your circle. Then your manager too. Manager should not be big as this one. Yeah, manager should be smaller. Then you adjust this one again. Then you bring your manager here. Yeah, that's it. So as for this one, I don't know what you are doing here, but try and always, you can see I'm trying to reduce the rectangle, this line. Always make it, yeah, this is how it's supposed to be. Your selector, make sure it's parallel to what you are doing. I don't know this one. What's this one? Okay, you try to crop this one here. Well, if that is the case, and if that is the case, a circle could have been better instead. Well, no, voila. Because of time, next time you can just your image is not that okay, but that's not the right way to do it. Instead, you could have put a frame instead. Okay, you could have put a frame, or you just say circle. Are you getting it? Something like this. Then you put your image in between it. So it would have been better that way, instead of you doing this one that you are doing. Anyway, that's that about that. And I think I've been able to touch some things. Just do this perfection. Okay, let me move to this place straight away. We have our coffee t-shirt yesterday, right? Isn't it? So I was trying to make a t-shirt for you. So today we will talk about 3 things. One, we will discuss about the t-shirt design. Then we will touch a bit of the art poster, social media, and school poster. Then the third thing is some basic design principles. We talk about hierarchy, alignment, and color. So those are the key things we will discuss today. So let me just delete this. Let me come back to where we are right yesterday. I think is this logo. Let me come back to my logo. So for the logo, let it popped up. For the logo, yesterday I make my own logo. The text are closer to the icons, not that they are far away. Okay, they were closer to one another. So, and yesterday while I was doing this, I made a mistake here. This is not where it's supposed to be. The text supposed to be somewhere around here. Yeah, somewhere around here. That's where it's supposed to be for alignment sake. So now this is what I will do. I'm done with my logo. I want to download this. I want to download this logo. Let me bold it. Did you see? Yeah, I bold this. Okay. Are we on the same page? So now if I want to download this, let me download this as a PNG, but I will remove background. I will click this transparent background. Because I'm using Pro, I should be able to do that. So, okay, yeah, PNG, and yeah, I downloaded it without background because I clicked the non-transparent something. Then let me quickly show you the resize feature. Or before I go there, okay, let me cancel this. Oh shit, it's like I clicked everything. Okay, let me click the download again. I'm not supposed to, oh, I clicked all the download, so it's downloaded in, I just want to download page 1. So page 1, let me click done, then let me put transparent background. I checked this transparent background this time around. Then let me download. You can only do that with the Pro version. Okay. So what else? Let me just go straight to, let me go straight to this. Let me, for the resize, yeah, for the resize body. So here I will change it to a Facebook, or let's say Instagram story. You can do the resize if you are doing if you have the Canva Pro as well. So I changed the design, but this is not where I'm going, like right now. So let me click on the t-shirt design because I quickly want to show you something there. So this is the Facebook. You know, this one is the Facebook Facebook post. So I would use the Facebook page to explain the hierarchy, alignment, and color. So we would have something to do with it. So look at this. So when I click on the resize, this is what I have for the Facebook story. So it will maintain all your something. But okay, let me come back to my t-shirts. So let me create a design. So let me create a design, or let me use the same logo I was using yesterday to continue. Okay. Any questions so far, please? Are you following? If you are still with me, let me know. Okay. Yeah, if you are still with me, let me know. Just drop your comments. So I clicked on the something. So if you want to, let's say you are a brand ambassador or you are a branding, you're doing anything branding. So it is easier for you to do anything branding. So let me say coffee 247. That would be the name of my t-shirt. So let me quickly just put this one in. I want to upload the logo I downloaded. I want to put it back. You can see I'm currently having this. So let me change the background to black. Yeah, I should be able to see it here. So when you click here, click. Am I currently on the free something? Yeah, I said it is better the images is fit into a frame instead of putting it online all alone. That's what I said. But I will try and do that if time permits us. So this is what I have. Let me try and do. So I have this. So let me create another page. Are you getting it? Let me try and create another page, which is this. Then go to upload and put this, my something. So if you want to go this route, the next thing you do is just click on print. Print. So just go to the t-shirt print and click here. Oh, sorry. I'm currently not seeing this. Let's go to edit image. I want to show you how you can put a mockup. So this is smart mockup. So we have smart mockups. Let me see how this would look like on this. Let's see. Let's test this one. Okay. Yeah, this is not looking nice. On the mock-up, it's not looking that nice. Okay. Yeah, I think this makes sense. So yeah, it's because the cup is white and the size of our page, the size we are using is not it. So yeah, this makes sense. Oh, sorry. Okay. Let me take it back. Okay, let me try and put, sorry. I'm having challenges with this something. Yeah, there is a way we can do that, except we just change our color. Yeah, that one is not a problem. What am I going to do now? What next? What next? Okay, let me put it back. And let me do this one. I don't know why this one becomes so big like this. Okay, let me try and delete this one. Yeah, yes, it's there. The free version too is there on the smart something. This one is giving me a problem. Let me just delete this page. I don't know what I did wrong. But this one, yeah, let me go again and try it. Yeah, since we are designing for the t-shirt self, let us just do the t-shirt straight away. So you will see some fashion t-shirts here. So I don't know if there is black man or something. Okay. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, it's just a simple process. And yeah, I just go to where you click on the image you want to change or you want to swap to the mockup, just go to your click on the edit image. So when you click on that, so because this one is currently wearing a white something and our logo is not white, that's why we're having these challenges. But for a better something, let's just quickly check or look through a template. Yeah, let's look at templates. So when you come here for the template, let's look at this. This is just a logo that can basically work on a white background. So, you know, we can't just delete or start doing another thing. So just come here, click on the image, then probably edit image. This one is this one is not even an image, but you will need to download it as an image before you could start what I want to do. Okay, let's see this. You can even change some of the text, just like yesterday, the one we do. You can change some of the text. You can say proud nigga. You can do some of the things, and yeah, you can move on. So yeah, quickly, let's forget about that because of time. It would chop our time, but I believe you are able to get one or two things from there. Somebody said realistically. So let me do that again once more. So I change my background to black and click on the edit image. Yeah, click on the edit image. This one is still okay. I think put this one. Click on the edit image here. So you will see the smart mockup. Click on the smart mockup. You will see some of the things you can put on your screen. Your screen. So if we are using this, we would need to change the cup, the object, to another thing, like maybe probably another color. But this thing is taking time. It's because of my internet. But okay, I'm having difficulties because of my internet, and I have a whole lot to cover within a span of time. So, okay, let me quickly jump into the other part, which is the art poster. So, assuming I'm having this, so from here we should be able to learn alignments, and it should be active. It should be active if the image is actually image. If it is text, it will not be active. So that's just the difference. So, okay, let's quickly do a simple design. And basically, let me just let me pick a text and try to do some stuff. Assuming I just want to have a simple cover. Okay, I already have Canva Women. How do I remove the background? Remove background. I think there is a remove BG here. Oh wait, there is a remove BG. Remove background. Oh, this thing will take my time, and I don't want us to have much time. I don't want it to chop my time. Okay. Okay, let me go back. Okay, come to the edit image here and just remove the background here. No, it's not Instagram post. So I have the image background removed. So I have my circle here, right? Let me change the text to to white. Then I can put my logo here. So just do a kind of it's distracting my network. Hello, are you there? So let me send this one back so that I can have my this one here. Okay. I believe by now you know how to use the feature of send back and send in. Yeah, it won't remove background in free version. I said it. I'm using the Canva Pro for now. So ensure you have a proper alignment here. Are you getting it? You can see the line. There is a square line before I drop it here. Then I will try and reduce my circle. It's a bit big. Yeah, I will try and reduce it. No. I want it circle. So I will drag it. I will try and move it directly to this space. Sorry. Okay, again, I will go again to ensure that I have it well placed in the center. So yeah, for now I have this. So let me group it together. Command G. Yeah, I think it's not grouped yet too. Hope we are not having two circles here. So let me put it again. So I'm watching for my alignment. I want it to be basically at the center of the circle. Did you see it? So until it brings those lines before I drop my design. So I will highlight the two items like this, then I would group it. So select the two items, then I will group it. Yeah, for those of you that are not using, if you are not using Pro at the moment, please don't worry. Okay. So try and just do Command G to group it together. And like this, basically, this is not what I want. I want to do some other things, like a quick design. Let me see if I have a bit of inspiration in my hair right now. Let's say I have a woman empowerment or something. Elements. So I'm trying to search this. And let's say I have something like this. Like this. So, and I can easily upload this. Yeah, the images I used the other time to edit, to remove the, I'll just remove the background here again. The difference between doing it on Canva and doing it outside is relatively no different. So this one is just like, did you see that? Okay, so I have that. So let me try and make a simple word something. Word. Oh no, is it word or art? Let's say arts. Yeah, something like this. So I will just make this one. Yeah, so I will send this one back. Send to the back like this. Are you getting it? So let me just let me find a text. Find a text to say uh, we to say we are together. So something like this. Does this look like it? Let's find out. Let me make it a curve. Let me edit the text. There is a text edit that I can do. So add effects if you want to then curve it. So here there is a degree to the curve. So let me just make it something like this. No, when you put it at 0, it will be like this. So yeah. So I have this like this. And let's change this one to color of what? White. Yeah. If you want to make it look like a, okay. But for this font, let's make it looks a bit stylish. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, something like this. Let's put some other elements like yeah, like cities. Yeah, let's put some other something like cities, like yeah, something like this. Remember, this water is not showing this water. You can try and edit this to look a bit realistic or something like this. Yeah, then yeah, this could be, yeah. Let's get another one to be somewhere here. And we can as well look down to see some other things here. Any question? Any question, please? And this could make sense too. For the sake of To curve the text is simple. Just go to Effects and click Curve. Okay, click Effect, then there is a curve shape here. So there are many effects that you can do. You can curve text, you can do whatever, anything at all, anything you could imagine. Okay, this color is not nice. I clicked here to okay, increase this one too. We are together, but don't forget, I'm still following my square something. So if you look at this, Otikoje, it has passed it. So let me just try and adjust it to be in the middle. Then it will be at the top edge here. Or yeah, it will be at the top edge here. So we are together, a simple poster we just make quickly. So why am I doing this? I just want us to have a glance of how it looks like. I just want us to have a glance. So let me just resize. So if you have the Canva something, you can just resize it. So if I want to resize this one is a story. So let me change it to a what's it called? A Facebook cover or a what should I change it to? Let me change it to Instagram story. No, this one is Instagram story, but this would fit the Instagram size. The Instagram size is 1080 by 1080. So copy and resize. It will create another page. You don't have these features on the old one. So if I want to make this color look like our color now, so what I will just do is I will change this one to and I can put a shadow here. Another thing, just go to the effect and search for shadow. Yeah, if you go to this effect here again, click effects, click shadow, and inside the shadow there is one there is a type of shadow that has is it echo or holo, something like this. So we have echo, we have holo, we have shadow, then we have blur. You can blur it, you can remove the transparency depending on whatever you are doing. So if you are going for this, and this one too, it has different color as well. If I want it to match our color, I will just, and this one too, if I want it to match our color, the one taking the highest color, I will just change it like this. Then this one, I would change the color of this one as well to something like this. Then the top layer, maybe some of this. to this. So we have something like this. Any question? So I prefer this one in white, so yeah, so that it can show properly. We are together. So when you go here, when you click here now, you will see that we have this. This is the Instagram size. You can see how powerful it is. This is the Instagram size, something like this. And voila, that is it. So don't forget to adjust some of the design here as well. Any question? And yeah, I think that's a wrap for today. And please, if you have any question, let me know. So I think we are done with alignment. Alignment in simple terms. In simple terms, this is it. In a simple term, I will change this to white so that you can see it clearly. When you are designing anything, yeah, when you are designing, don't put, except you are using it as a style. So this is the, so yeah, I highlighted this. So if I want this one to be in the middle, this is alignment. Ensure that you have this horizontal line, the vertical line centered properly. That's number one. Number two, if you want to put any other content, let's say you want to put a content like this. So this time around, okay, sorry, there is no need of me copying. Let me just pick a text here and put maybe a subheading here. Assuming you want to just put a content here, you want to put a content here now. Ensure that the spacing, you can see the spacing 52 above and 52 down. Always watch for that so that your design will not be obstructed. Now, if I want to put a text here and I'll do like this and I say I'm done with my design, it doesn't make any sense. So this, look at this. It brings out the box and horizontal line to indicate my text, where my text is. That is alignment. Never put your design like this. Yeah, don't do that. It's not good. It's too close to the extreme end of your design interface. Never put your design like this. Something like this. You put your text. The text is now like this. It's not good. It's not making any sense. Rather, you can ensure that it brings out the alignment box. Something like this. So that you have the same length apart here for your consistency's sake. Or you do something like this. And don't do something like this. Let it be regular. If you are using center, use your center completely. Bam. If you are using bottom, use your bottom completely. Bam. Don't do any obstructive design. So the essence of the hierarchy is just like the way you communicate, a form of you communicating your design. Don't communicate your design in a very unreasonable way. Are you getting it? So for the curve, let me take it back. This is curve text. Let me change the text back to, let's say, black, for instance. Are you getting it, Emma? So now we have this for this. Yeah, we have this. Again, we are together. For you to make it curve, click on the effect. You will see shape. There is a curve and there is none. When you say curve, when you put it curve like this, you will see a unit here for you to curve it. Are you getting it? So click on the effect and curve it like this. So you will see a parameter here that is 75 curve. So just adjust it. Adjust it like this. We are together. So this is what they use to create all these round logo, something that has something like this. Did you get it? I can copy this one and put it here again. Maybe I want to do for the down again. So if I want to make it to go, I will click on the effect again. Then instead of me to flip it here, I will flip it like this. Are you getting it? When it is negative, so that is the essence of the curve. And mind you, when you are doing a curve like this, the same curve unit you put here is, we are using 40 here. So when you want to curve this one as well, you have to use 40 minus 40. Yeah, minus 40 units here. So the same size here. This one is like this. So put this one to like this. So when you are dragging, you will see that it even bring out the circle to indicate that it's now on a perfect shape. Any question? So what can you do to join something together? So if you want to put another element, we are together, binded by, I don't know what binds women or something or whatever. What binds women? So let me see if I can make a sense. Money. See these people. Send backward or send to the back. Something like this. You can see we already turned it to a logo, isn't it? So we are together, binded by money. Now money bind you together. So what bind you together in this class now? Is it money or? So don't forget, this one is not it right now. That lady that said money, you need to fear out. Money. Yeah, if it is money, let's search for money. If it is money that bind you together, don't worry. It is money. Money will not make sense. So let me reduce this and bring it back. So this one needs to be a little bit bigger. So if this one is 51, this one too needs to be a bit bigger. 51. Yeah, 51. Don't forget, I'm using this 51.1. So just change this one here too. Change the text size to 50.1. Yeah. So you have to be consistent. Okay. The lady said they were bounded. We are together. Blood sisters. So let me just put it that way. Okay. Okay. I want this alignment to be okay. 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 Oh, sorry. It's okay the way it is before. What's extension? I don't get. Which one is extension again? Okay, thank you. I don't know if this would actually work. Don't forget, I'm still following up with my alignment to be sure that I'm having a correct something. So what is making this why are we taking time? Yeah, because I'm just cracking it up from my head. It's not a very realistic design. So Canva would help you to calculate if it is nice. Okay. Um, don't forget. So alignment is very important. The blur line, blur is very simple. Blur does not have anything to do with what we are doing right now for the person asking blur. So I'm just teaching you some of the things you can do with simple texts. So this is what we have right now. The first page, we have this. So let me download it for you. Okay. Instead of this, let's use our color, which is this. It's now looking and making sense. So that is color. Color combinations. When you are using a logo, pick the color from your logo. Don't go and use color like this. Eh? Does it make any sense? It makes your design look a bit awkward. So that is part of the hierarchy control. So I picked my color from my logo. Any other thing? Yeah. Be sure you are doing the right thing. So let me save this. And so this is today's practice. Let me clean this one to up, the page 2. The page 2 this is not our color. Okay? This is our color. This is our color here. I picked it from my logo. It's not that I just okay, change the color here. And oh, sorry, change the color here as well to something like this. This. Never use other color that is not that is not part of your plan. Or yeah, let's use this one. Okay. So this, change it to white. Don't use black. White will be good. And this one too, change it to white. White should be good. Even the whole of this one too can take white, or we just change this one to our color here, which is this one. Yeah. This is our color. You can see I'm picking the color from our logo. I'm not trying to introduce any color, any strange color. I'm picking it from our logo directly. I'm not trying to introduce any strange color. So watch out. The best way you can use your color will determine how far you can go. Okay? So ensure you have a proper alignment. Like I said, always ensure you have a proper alignment. That's it. So let's download this again. I will download the second page. So yeah, I think I'm downloading in PNG. So that's for the Instagram size. And let's go and download this one, the one we do here. Yeah, I think. Any questions so far? Yeah, concerning the PDF, somebody was asking PDF. Concerning the PDF stuff we said yesterday, we have two PDFs. Should we use the PDF standard or the anyone is good, but use the PDF, the one they write PDF print. Choose that one instead. So let me share it. If you enjoyed this class, let me know via the comments and yeah. If you enjoyed this class, let me know via the comments. So that is the end of branding in Canva. So the other one will be presentation slides. How can you do infographics and things like that? So I think I've touched almost every important area. So if you are able to get, if you get some of my explanation right, you should be able to you should be able to do better. Are you getting what I'm trying to say? So thank you. Thank you. Yeah, for you to reach me, it's simple. Just Twitter is the fastest way to reach me, to be honest. I don't use Instagram. I only post my picture there. That's what I use. But if you like, that's why I said, please try and upload your work on Twitter or Instagram or LinkedIn. Yeah, I'm always active on LinkedIn sometimes. So yeah, that's the best way. This one too is not going to come out nice. So it's better we just change this one back to something like this. Realistically, this one too is not going to be it. Yeah. So here we are. Let me download the poster. Yeah, okay. That's it. And that is it. So lastly, you guys can, let me teach you a trick in case you want to practice the Canva Pro to see how it works. So it has a 1 month what's it called? It has a 1 month trial. So you can try it, and maybe when before they deactivate your something, all you just need to do is click on the pricing. Once you click on pricing, input your credit card. So when you put your credit card, it will activate the Pro for you. So when you are done, maybe probably before the end of this a month or the time they put for you, you can decide to you can just decide to deactivate it again. So that is it. So go to pricing on your own. It's not bringing pricing for me because I already have the Pro. I'm using the Pro right now. So just do that. Put your credit card. It's just 2,000 naira for a month. So click on the monthly something. So it will not deduct your money now. So before the end of this month, you can decide to remove your card before they deduct your money if you don't want to continue using the Pro. But yeah, like I said, the best tip you can use is still try and design using your phone. Okay, I mean using your computer if you want to make money out of this. So yeah, I think by next week when we are planning to wrap up, I'll be giving some tips on how to be confident of yourself, because confidence is when I can do this, I can do this. There is nothing I can't do Canva with. I can literally do it anything other people are doing too. So why can't you just advertise yourself as a product designer, or okay, I'm a graphics designer, I can do this for your company and I can do this. But that is not the way to make money, because you have to stand out, and that is the hack towards making money in this industry. Have a wonderful night, and yeah, kudos. Thanks for staying still till the end of this uh, class. Good night.